Will AI really take away our jobs? Hello everyone, greetings. I'm Arishmita Chatterjee. Welcome back to my videos and I hope you already understood what I'm going to talk about today in this video. Well, there is a lot of hysteria regarding this particular topic where people are trying to find out the answers whether AI can really replicate our jobs or not. Let me assure you, whatever they try, they can never replicate soft skills. I'll be talking about few things that AI cannot replicate. To start with, creativity. Creativity is a very important aspect that AI cannot replicate. And I know some of you will stop me over here and tell that AI is coming up with artworks and music, whatnot. But you cannot forget that AI can only come with artwork or music when informations are being fed by a human being. So AI always will have to depend on a human being to get creative. Second thing is adaptability. We need to adapt through many situations, glitches, problems and whatnot. And in those situations, AI alone can never be adaptable enough to do something. Thirdly, AI cannot be good leaders. Well, we know that AI can let people know what to do, AI can make charge sheets and all, but AI cannot motivate others and AI cannot keep the person's emotion high whenever it is required in order to lead a team forward. The last thing that AI cannot give out is empathy. And we know how much empathy is important in our day-to-day functioning to keep the team alive. So these are few soft skills that you need to work on in order to stay safe with your job role. I will be coming with more such videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Till then, keep on learning and be happy. Thank you.